Hi everyone, and I'm back. My name is Danielle. I'm known as Ms. Happy Housewife, and my family tested positive for COVID. So I want to kind of talk about that, but I also promised you a look in my new house. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you the house and tell you about what's happened. So I'm going to start here inside the entryway. It's going to look like a hot mess, but I promise it's going to get better. This is my husband's office. So you're going to see a lot of stuff is undone. And that's really because we haven't had a lot of energy to be able to do a whole lot. Right now I have some of my chairs done and the dining room table isn't even complete. So what happens with COVID is that you get out of breath really easily, and it's mundane stuff. This here is my office where you're gonna see a lot more of this room because I'm gonna be filming some in here. We still have the other house that has to get cleaned, and it's taken a while. We just have a bunch of stuff here inside the kitchen. Hopefully the next time you see a video, everything's gonna be picked up. I think I'm at a point now that I can have a little bit more energy so I can try to go and clean, but let me tell you, Fly Lady has definitely made things easier. I don't really have a pantry. That's the only pantry I have, but I did order a pantry, so it's going to be a separate thing, and that should come a little bit later this month. That is my laundry room, and I don't have any special filter that it's just that long. I have not made my bed. Those bags right there, that is where my clothes are. I've been focusing the most on the downstairs area, not really a whole lot upstairs because I'm trying to make it feel a little bit more like home. So that will definitely be what is coming next. Here is the master bath. And I'm sorry everything is really shaky, but those mats right there, I love those mats. They're so soft. The house, it looks very bare, very not put together, but I promise you're going to see this transformation. So this is a second living room that I have upstairs. It's like a family room. And we were talking about moving around some of the couches. So you'll see that. But basically, this is what my living room was before all of that went upstairs. I did buy some new furniture for my living room downstairs. So, this room that you see now, that's actually where I am right now recording this. It's going to be like a relaxation room. I have pretty bad anxiety and stuff. So it's going to be kind of nice just to have a room with not a lot of sound. Outside of here is a balcony. And I don't think I actually go outside. Well, it's kind of noisy, and if my neighbors are playing music, then I can't really show that. All right, so this here is my living room, and I purchased all new furniture for this space. It still has the same TV stuff. It's a bigger TV though. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I should be back to my normal content now. I'm still not 100%, but I'm gonna do my best. Progress, not perfection. And there's actually been some changes since I filmed the house as well, because I have to kind of take everything a little bit at a time. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.